Hi there. This video is all about mini chords or part bar chords or chord voicings restricted to 3 strings.
If you like it, I think you should press like.
I'm Alistair Pope, welcome to my channel. There's nearly 400 guitar lesson videos on here. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe so that you don't miss anything. One of my subscribers, Dan Bowers, wrote,
I'm a huge fan of rhythm playing, so anything you can do regarding that and the use of many chords to facilitate that. Anything that gets around using loads of bar chords.
That is a great question, Dan. Let's have a look at those chords. Imagine you're in a band and the rhythm guitarist is playing these simple open chords. So we've got D, A and E. What can we play over that other than just playing the same thing or playing an octave higher or using full-size bar chords? So let's see how we can use these part bar chords to serves you right, you little bastard.
If you like it and you want more, you should hit subscribe.
How about something like this? All of that was done with only 3 shapes. I'm going to teach them to you using the open chord shapes that you already know, but restricting the number of strings that we use. So, first of all, with the D chord. We want to play a version of that D chord that's only on strings 2, 3 and 4. So what have we got on 2, 3 and 4? We've got 3rd fret on 2, 2nd fret on 3, open string on 4. What we want to do is change that open string to a fret 4 there, an F sharp. So starting on string 4, we've got the 4th fret, then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Now, if you're familiar with all 5 of your major bar chord shapes, your caged shapes, then that is part of a C shape. We just want strings 4, 3, and 2 from that C shape. The next chord is A. We're just going to take standard A shape, but we're only going to use strings 2, 3 and 4. So everything's on the 2nd fret. And the next chord is E. We're just going to take strings 2, 3 and 4 from that as well. Alright, so we've got these 3 shapes. Perhaps you need to give a little bit of thought to that E shape, because the E shape involved an open string, open 2nd string. So when you move it up, it's going to look like that. Now there it looks like an F. Okay, and of course all it really is part of that E shape, but we're just using strings 2, 3 and 4.
If you like it, why not share it with your friends?
But we're going to move those shapes around, okay? So to be able to use these quickly and easily, you're going to have to start learning where the root notes are for each one. So on the C shape, it's on the 2nd string. So that's a D note, so that's a D chord. For the A shape, it's on the 3rd string. And for the E shape, it's on the 4th string. Within 1 octave of the guitar neck there, you've got 3 different places that you can play each of these chords. So the D is going to be here, then it's going to appear as an A shape here, on fret 7, then it's going to appear as an E shape up on frets 12, 11 and 10. Then using the same 3 shapes we get the other 2 chords in 3 places as well. So the A is on fret 2, and it's on frets 7, 6 and 5 as an E shape, and it's up here on frets 11, 9 and 10 as a C shape. Same thing with the E, of course. The E is down there as part of an open E chord. Then it's here on 6, 4 and 5 as part of a C shape, and then fret 9 as an A shape.
If you would like to support this channel, why not become a patron on Patreon? Follow the links below.
So try and remember there that if it's a C shape, the root note is on string 2. So if I wanted a G, that's the G note, put the C shape around it, that's a G chord. Where else can I play G? If I find G on the 3rd string, it's on fret 12, so it's an A shape. Because it's on the 3rd string, not because it's on fret 12. And then of course we're going to find G on string 4, the 5th fret, and it's going to be part of an E shape. So let's put it back into the context of the piece of music. Move it up. Move it up again. Thanks, Dan, for a great question. Hey, if you've got a question, whack it into a comment. Let me know, and I will do my best to answer it for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
That's the way.